Здравствуйте, дорогие друзья!
Hello and welcome to Lesson 7 of the Practical Russian course for beginning students. In this lesson you will learn how to use two verbs together and continue with the prepositional case. As you proceed through this Practical Russian course, your Russian language skills will increase incrementally and will become long-lasting if you remember to repeat the words out loud after tomorrow.
Здравствуйте, дорогие друзья! Бабушка,
Grandmother,
дедушка,
granddad,
дайвинг,
diving,
мотоцикл,
motorcycle,
парашют,
parachute,
свитер,
pullover,
вязать,
to knit,
смотреть,
to watch,
ездить,
to drive or to ride,
летать, лететь,
to fly,
плавать,
to swim,
готовить,
to cook or to prepare,
отвечать,
to answer. These are verbs in the infinitive form.
ездить,
To ride or to drive,
любить,
to love or to like,
спрашивать,
to ask. Here is how to conjugate the verb to like or to love in the present tense. Replace the infinitive ending T and soft sign with the appropriate endings. So, I like is,
я люблю,
he likes is,
он любит,
she likes is,
она любит,
you like is,
ты любишь.
Now here's how to use the conjugated verb together with another verb which has to be in its infinitive form. The first verb is,
Любить,
which has to be conjugated, and the second verb is,
плавать,
which has to be in its infinitive form. For example, I like to swim is,
я люблю плавать,
he likes to swim is,
он любит плавать,
she likes to swim is,
она любит плавать,
you like to swim is,
ты любишь плавать. Читайте рассказ.
read the story.
Мои дедушка и бабушка.
My grandfather and grandmother.
Читайте текст.
Read the text.
Федор и Катя смотрят фотоальбом.
Fyodor and Katya look at the photo album.
Катя спрашивает,
And Katya asks,
кто это летит на парашюте?
who is it parachuting?
Это моя бабушка.
This is my grandmother.
А кто на мотоцикле?
And who is on the motorcycle?
Это тоже моя бабушка.
This is also my grandmother.
А кто плавает в воде?
And who is swimming in the water?
Бабушка.
My grandmother.
Она любит дайвинг.
She likes diving.
А это кто?
And who is this?
Это дедушка на кухне.
This is my grandfather in the kitchen.
Это его любимое место.
It is his favorite place.
Он любит готовить.
He likes cooking.
А это кто в свитере?
And who is this in the jumper?
Это тоже дедушка.
This is also my grandfather.
Этот свитер он сам связал.
He knitted this sweater himself.
Кто любит летать?
Babushka.
Кто любит плавать?
Babushka.
Кто любит готовить?
Dedushka.
Кто любит вязать?
Dedushka.
Ты любишь плавать?
Да, я люблю плавать.
Федор любит готовить?
Я не знаю.
На чем бабушка летает?
What does the grandmother fly?
На парашюте?
In a parachute.
На чем бабушка любит ездить?
What does grandmother like to ride?
На мотоцикле?
On a motorcycle.
Где дедушка любит готовить?
Where does granddad like to cook?
На кухне?
In the kitchen.
На чем ты любишь ездить?
What do you like to drive?
На машине?
A car.
Ты любишь ездить на мотоцикле?
Do you like to ride a motorcycle?
Нет, не люблю.
No, I don't like to.
Кто любит вязать?
Who likes to knit?
Моя жена любит вязать.
My wife likes to knit.
Парашют на парашюте.
Parachute. In a parachute.
Мотоцикл на мотоцикле.
Motorcycle. On a motorcycle.
Кухня на кухне.
Kitchen. In a kitchen.
Бассейн в бассейне.
Swimming pool. In a swimming pool. In this lesson, you have learned about the conjugation of verbs and the prepositional case. As you proceed through this practical Russian course, your Russian language skills will increase incrementally and will become long-lasting. If you like this video, please subscribe, ring the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up.
До свидания.
And we will see you next time in the Practical Russian course for beginning students.